Welcome to my hungry family. We want to share our food with you. Today we are making an amazing summer smoothie. This is my favorite smoothie. We'll be using frozen acai berry, organic unsweetened almond milk, and some frozen banana and pineapple. We're going to add in our frozen acai berry. We're using frozen organic acai berry from a company called Sambazon. This is great for making smoothies and it's really healthy for you. You get a bunch of great healthy antioxidants, fiber, omegas. We found this at Costco, but you can get it at several places. Next, we'll add in our frozen bananas and pineapple. Don't throw away your bananas and pineapple. Freeze them so you can keep them for baking and for using in smoothies. This is my favorite smoothie. It's perfect for summer. Definitely make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can see the complete list of ingredients and a complete list of cooking instructions for this recipe. Now we'll add in our organic almond milk. The less almond milk you put, the thicker it will be. The more you add, the less thick it will be. We want ours thick like ice cream, spoons only. You are going to love this. And it is so easy to make. And you can probably guess what we're going to do next. Let's blend it up. Wow. Look at this smoothie. I can't wait to drink it. I'm so excited for you to try this. Okay, looks like the blending's finished. Time to serve it up. Look at that great color. That is beautiful. Looks like Barney fell into the blender. This is my favorite smoothie. It's perfect for summer. You've been working in the yard, exercising, you're hot, you're sweating, you're thirsty. This cold acai berry smoothie is a lifesaver. This is the smoothie of the summer. You're gonna love this smoothie. I don't want an orange smoothie, red smoothie, green smoothie. No, purple. I want a purple smoothie. Look at this. It's amazing. Trust me. Drink it. Enjoy it. It's amazing. You can see a complete list of the ingredients and cooking instructions in the rolling credits at the end of the video. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. If you enjoyed watching this video, please comment below, like, share. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We have tons of great content coming. So many recipes, baking, cakes, all kinds of recipes. You don't want to miss it. Definitely do not miss these two videos right here. Go ahead and check them out. Look at this smoothie. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.